welcome to Online Money Hunter. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening based on your time zone. Welcome. In today's video, I'll be teaching us how to create a Fiverr account. Okay, the 2022 new method how to create Fiverr account. Okay, let's go to fiverr.com. Let's go to fiverr.com. We are in fiverr.com. Okay, Fiverr will ask you whether you want to create your account with Facebook or Google or Apple. Okay, the Gmail account. Okay, let's go and input it and continue. Okay, this is step by step how you can create your Fiverr account 2022. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, because in this channel I teach you guys how to make money the easiest way. What I do here is that once I see something that is working, I will come here and show you how I do it, and if you follow my guideline you will get exact results. Okay, so here we put our username. Okay, our username. Okay, our username. Okay, okay, password. Then choose a strong password. Okay, a strong password. All right, join. Wow, we are here already. Okay, Nzorofe. Okay, Nzorofe, you need to activate your account. Okay, let's go to my email. Let's go to email, open new tab. Open new tab. Okay, Gmail. Let's go and verify this account. Okay, this is the message from Fiverr. Okay, here I can activate my account. Follow me step by step. We get to a point where you start making thousands of dollars. Okay, as you can see, account successfully activated. This is a great time to edit your profile. Okay, please follow me step by step. Follow me step by step. Okay, we are here. First of all, try and put your profile picture and find an attractive one. Find an attractive one. So let's first of all change the profile picture. Okay, let me make use of this one. Okay, we are done with profile picture. Can you see it? Just try and use an attractive one. so that your clients will know who they are dealing with. Okay. Okay, second is description. In description, tell us more about yourself. Buyers are also interested in learning about you as a person. Okay, let's add the description. Okay, I have pre-written notes because I don't want this video to be too okay. Paste it here. Paste it here. Okay, as you can see, I am done wrap, and I love to do Photoshop editing work, and I have over 5 years plus of experience in photo editing. Okay, customer satisfaction is my priority. I believe in perfection, and to become perfect is become perfect in my job, I am still learning. Okay, magic edits are my company name. Remember me and my work. Thank you. Okay, please update this one. Updates. Language. You can choose your language. Okay, English. Level. Make everything to be perfect, because those things doesn't matter. Okay, but just make it very attractive, so that okay, here link account. If you want to link any account, Facebook, Google, okay, any account you want to link in, just link it here. Just plus you link your account. Skills. Okay, here in the skills, okay, pro. Photo editing. Okay, level of experience, experts. Okay, just do it where I'm doing it. Okay, education. You can leave it unknowing, or you can put something here. Like I said, it's not mandatory, but it's necessary. Okay, Nigeria. Okay. Uni Abuja. Sorry. Like I said that this is just because the work you will be doing here, I will also teach you what you'll be doing. But now let me teach you how to register, okay? Year of graduation. Okay, add. Okay. Certificate, you can add your certificate. Okay. As you can see, my profile is in good shape now. Okay, please, in next video now I will show you how to create a gig, and like I promised that after this video I will show you how to make money. Okay, this is how to make money with this website. Okay, once you create a gig, okay, the gig I will be creating next is, how to make money with Photoshop. Okay, that's what photo editing, that's the gig I'll create in next video. Okay, make sure you watch the next video. And if you want to register with Fiverr, just in the description you will see a link there. Just click on the link and start registration. Okay, so it's very simple and easy to do. Okay, we are done with picture, we are done with, okay, we are from Nigeria. Okay, member since 2022, February 2022. Okay, we are done with that. We are done with our description, which is where you tell them how you can be of their help. Okay, my company is Magic Editing. Okay, that's my company name. Okay, you can put anything you want. Okay, we are done with language. Okay, linking, you can put your account here. Okay, skills. Okay, this skills is pending. Let's just edit it more. Let me just write photo editing. Okay, photo editing. Okay, level of experience, expert, and add. Okay, we have added this one. All right, education, BS. Okay, BS. Okay, decision science. Okay, you can just put anything you want. Okay, like I promised that in next video, that's when I will show you how to make the magic ways to make money with this website. Okay, with the next video you will see when you will start making thousands of dollars monthly. Okay, so all I want you to do is just to make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, very important, so that once I upload that video you'll be the first person to watch, and being the first person to watch will make you be the first person to start making money with this website. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and remain blessed.